Barrow moves on the northern sea, engines low, steady and free. Golden sun on the waterline, calm and clear, the perfect time. Harbour waiting far ahead, sky of gold and waves of red. Through the swell she glides so true, all eyes on the boat Barrow. Something moving down below. Dolphin and I daddy. Dolphins in the wake rise high, dancing where the white trails fly, running wild and running free beside Barrow out at sea. All the tide, all the blue, all the world feels born anew. If you feel it, come and see, life is better out at sea. Hey, yeah. From above the sky looks down, silent flight without a sound. Every wake a silver line, every moment caught in time. Shadows moving fast and bright, breaking through the golden light. Ocean life in perfect view, racing fast with Barrow. Barrow cutting through the tide, engines humming soft and wide, guided by the harbor light, turning slowly into sight. Oh, the tide, oh, the blue, now the journey's turning through. From the wild to sheltered sea, homeward bound so peacefully. Rise and water slow, familiar paths the sailors know. Engines low, the journey bends where the open ocean ends. Early Barrow enters Eyemouth Bay, Fort Point standing guard her way. Silent cannons strong and still, watching o'er the harbor hill. Golden light on quiet waves, drifting soft through sheltered bays. From the wild and open blue, home at last our Barrow. Stand, watching sea and watching land. Engines fade, the day is through, safe at home, our Barrow.
If you enjoyed this footage, please like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot to me and costs you now.